Hi, it's Jeff here. I'm at Crabtree Nature Center, and I just got a new thing here. I just picked this up yesterday. It's a DJI RS5 gimbal, and I'm going to be using this gimbal for the first time today. It's it's Wednesday, 24 April 2026, and I just got this DJI RS5 gimbal yesterday. So I'm taking it out for its first test run or whatever. Um, Actually, all the arms are free right now, so it's balanced with my Sony ZV-E10 camera sitting on it. Now, I haven't taken off my Sony camera strap, and I may have to get a different strap that I can remove, because if I want to use my Sony ZV-10 in my car, I need that strap to hold it stable. So this is the view from my Sony ZV-E10 on my new DJI RS5 gimbal. And I'm in pan mode for tracking. So, and I'm hand holding the gimbal and the camera. So it's trying to hold the camera smooth. Seems to be doing a pretty good job. It's probably ready for me to walk around with it. Now I can turn on and off the camera record from the DJI RS5 handle. So we're gonna give this a try. I'm gonna try walking with the gimbal. See how it does. Now somebody out there complained that with my Morton Arboretum video, you couldn't hear the sounds of nature. So I came here because it's a nature preserve, and you should be hearing the sounds of nature all over the place here. The gimbal seems to be holding the camera steady. I guess I really won't know until I get home and have a look at the footage. But just from what I'm seeing here in front of me, it looks good. These are the big bird cages. Well, I guess that's an owl cage. There's an owl up there in the box. Let's see. The camera should zoom in. So we're heading out to their little pond lake. See what we can see out here. Of course, this is really a test of the gimbal. So you should be getting a walk with Jeff right now.
Good afternoon.
Oh. I don't think I've been in this little shed before, so we're going in now. So I've got my little pull cart here. That green bag is a camera bag. Orange bag is food. I've got some McDonald's in there. The black bag on top held the DJI. And underneath there, I've got a Blue Yeti unit if I need more power. There's the DJI unit sitting there next to me. So I came here to check it out and have a little lunch. So we're looking out of our little shed here. At the lake, and I should be able to zoom the camera. There it goes. So I'm doing all this from the control on the gimbal. Gimbal seems to be doing a good job of holding the camera stable. Of course, I can do this with a tripod, but we're here to test the gimbal today. So when you power off the gimbal, it goes into this state where all the accesses are locked. And let's see what happens if you power on the gimbal. There you go. It looks like it unlocked all the accesses. Put the camera back into a shooting mode. Of course, I have to turn the Sony ZV-E10 on. There, the Sony ZV-E10 is on. So let's give this a little test and shoot out the window. So while I'm sitting here in my little peaceful shed lookout observation building or whatever, I figured now would be a good time to do a little chat with you. I don't know. Hope this turns out. But I have been, as usual, getting your emails and videos and enjoying them. I think your last email was about a new GoPro camera, and GoPro just doesn't work in my world. Their biggest problem is they have small batteries and don't last don't last long when recording. So then you sent me an email about creatine and how you're only going to get yours from Germany, and I think you're going to have it twice a day and double the dose and stuff like that. So yeah, if that helps your health, that's good for you. Now, one tip you gave me the other day was about potassium citrate. And I went and got some, and I took it for a couple of days, and I'm feeling better. I used to have a crick in my back that went away when I took the potassium. So I guess it works, but I've only been taking it for a few days, so I guess we have to let that whole trial go for about a month or so and see how that works out. What else were you talking about? Trying to remember what you sent me. But oh well, I did see them all. And just letting you know that I'm still watching them and still enjoying them. But as usual, it's time for me to go home and feed Charlie Brown because I'm dawdling around the park here. But I'll head out now with the DJI RS5 if you want to look it up. Supposedly it's new. I didn't know that. As I said, I just got it yesterday, so I'm just playing with all its new features and stuff for the first time myself. Anyway, stay in touch, and I'll check back with you later. I don't know when I'm going to process this video, so stay tuned. Bye. So I'm back on the gimbal now, and I'm going to take a walk back to the nature center with the gimbal, and we'll see how it does. So that's it. I'm going to put my camera and the gimbal back in their cases, getting ready for the trip home.